Hi everyone. Forget everything you know about AI agents, about IDEs, about terminals, about everything. Just let's talk about Google Antigravity. Google Antigravity is, we can say it's a development platform that combines the AI agent with IDE with accessibility to your browser. Meaning, you can just give it prompts and everything is done by AI. It's just as simple as that. You give a prompt, the AI is executing. So it's not like AI agents that need copy paste or something like that. It's not a copilot. That thing is something else. Okay? So for testing in this video, we're gonna give it a hard task, which is to create a racing game in Next.js. That works, okay? And we're gonna give it one prompt. I really wanna act in this video as someone who doesn't know anything, okay? Let's assume I don't know anything about coding. I don't wanna troubleshoot anything. I don't wanna write code or ask another AI models. I just want to get the job done, right? So I have we have here the Google Antigravity that looks like a normal IDE. You can write code here, for example. Let's just open a random file, import. Right, I literally, it's just a normal IDE. It looks like a normal IDE. But here's where the magic is going on. So I give it this prompt. Of course, I did not write any of that. I just explained everything I want to DeepSeek and I get this prompt. This is a fresh Next.js application. I want to build a racing game and here's the details. So the details is just, you can pause the video and see it. It's just a normal tasks. Because I don't wanna, I really wanna give a specific prompt. Anyway, the first thing you will notice here, it's very crazy. Sorry, it's not here. We're gonna see what's happening. Okay, the task. The AI created a task so you can track. That's very impressive. Built Next.js racing game and it started doing the tasks itself. Wow. And I will show you the results in a moment, but this thing, what really impressed me, this thing created a game, a logic of the game. So this AI can understand the context. The problems with other AI's models, with other AI is the AI doesn't understand the context. You say edit, for example, the add to cart function. It does understand one file, but this thing can understand the whole idea. That is very impressive. So it's created a lot of tasks. Then it started implementing everything step by step. First, it created the car. It's created this kind of loop. It's created then the UI. And seeing that happens in like 30 minutes, it created everything. And we're gonna play the game in the moment, in a moment, as I said. But that was crazy. Do you understand how much this idea is very, very revolutionary? This might be a revolution. Now, I'm not saying this is a perfect. In the next section, I will tell you problems I have faced. Here's authenticating. So it still has little bit problems, but as I said, it's one shot. So it start creating everything. Okay, I said here, okay, continue all the tasks. For the context, I was running another app, so I did not troubleshoot anything except for here. I said, make the overflow heading of the page to hide the scroll. Also make the path wide to make the game more enjoyable. But In general, I did not made like huge prompts or I did not fix anything. So let's see the game. Here's the game. You can start race and you can just start racing. So it's not a perfect game, of course. You can race. Oh, okay. I'm playing it wrong. So and you have turbo button also. The space is a turbo button, so you can make. I'm not really good at it, and the game itself is not very good. But what I'm trying to say, this is a work of 30 minutes. Okay, this is the work of 30 minutes. Just imagine what I can do in 3 hours, or in 5 days, or in 1 month. Literally in 1 month I can make this thing as playable game, and like I can make it through production, and I'm not even joking about it. Even if you don't know anything about coding at this point, you maybe can handle it. Okay. uh, so total time, and what I like it is when you don't play the game, it's pause the game itself and tells you, like, do you want to play, do you want to refresh it, do you want to retry again. So I really like it. Let's go about the thing that I did not like. First thing, the downloading. I know it's an issue, maybe they solved, maybe, but it's need to be solved. Okay, when I was trying to download the thing, I am on operating system called Omarshi, but I have seen also Windows users and Mac users and other users from all the operating system. They have faced a lot of problems while downloading. So I was trying to download this over and over. So I have succeeded in like 6 hours. I have faced a lot of problems. This thing was looping in sign in, and once you get in sign in, you can't sign out, you can't do anything, you can't exit. It was harder than escaping from them. I was expecting more than that when we talk about Google. So this is the first thing I don't like. The second thing I don't like, I have seen a lot of tutorials facing issues with sidebar. What I don't like also is this thing takes a lot from your RAM, so, and takes a lot of your resources as well. So this is understandable. It's thinking, so it has to take this amount of RAM. But I think it might maybe need to be approved. From my perspective, what that gonna do in the future? Like, I'm really not trying to make you feel scary, but that thing might replace the testers, because who need testers right now? If you can prompt something, can test it in your browser, who need testers? I mean, for real, I'm really not trying to make you angry or sad, but this is how this job market works. You need to change, otherwise you're gonna die. The testers might die. The front-end developers, they will have easier life, but in terms of competition, that thing will make competition is even harder. Full stack developers and enterprise dev might also get advantage from using this kind of technology. And what's really impressive about it is it's for free. Okay, so I really like the idea. It has great potential. Right now, it's not the best as an implementation, but as a first version, I'm seeing that in the future killing it. Literally, this IDE might change the way we think about development forever. Great potential, very revolutionary idea. So that was all. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like to support this channel, please like do your things. So thank you so much for watching, and see you.